Hello, my name is Karel Heerbriks, and today it's a pleasure for us at OMRON to host the meeting of the HyperChildNET experts. It's an international group of key opinion leaders on the field of hypertension in children to have their exchange of scientific knowledge and to work on the future development of guidelines and treatment options for the children. At OMRON, we have a vision which is expressed as going for zero. With going for zero, we actually mean that we want to do all possible efforts to make sure that cardiovascular events in the future will reduce and that we can offer solutions for all patients that suffer from hypertension.